Hello everyone, welcome to my channel RaHaz tutorial. Today I am going to discuss the question answer of the chapter 9, the Stonecutter, from the book Communicate with Cambridge. So the first question is from exercise B1. Why did the stonecutter have plenty of customers in the beginning? Answer: the stonecutter had many customers because he understood the different purposes for which the stone was required, such as building houses and gravestones. Next question. When did his work seem to grow to be such a burden? Answer: his work seemed to grow such a burden when he visited the rich man's house with a gravestone. The beautiful things he saw made him feel that his daily life was such a weary one. Now question number 3. Why did he want to become the sun? Answer: he wanted to become the sun because even though he was a prince and was shielded by a big umbrella, the sun continued to scorch his face brown. He also noticed that despite watering the grass would be scorched by the sun, therefore he wanted to become the sun. Next question. How did the cloud show his power? Answer: the cloud caught the strong sunbeams and made the grass grow once more. It also poured forth rain till river bank overflowed. Crops were flooded and villagers were destroyed from the power of the rain. Next, question number 5. Who seemed mightier than a rock? Why? Answer: the stonecutter seemed mightier than a rock, as he could drill holes into the rock and break off chunks from the rock. Question number 6. What made him happy in the end? Answer: in the end, he learned to be satisfied with who he was and what he had after going through all the experiences. Now exercise D, question number 1. Despite having to work hard and face difficulties, the stonecutter was happy in the end. Why? Answer: despite having to work hard and face difficulties, the stonecutter was satisfied with his life because in the end he realized that one has to be happy with what one has. Question number 2. Do you think the mountain spirit was right in granting him his wish every time? Why? Answer: the mountain spirit was right in granting the stonecutter his wish every time because if he wouldn't have the experiences he coveted, he wouldn't have realized that what he had was the best for him. So students, that's all in this video. We have completed all the question answers. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a learning moment. Thank you.